Welcome back to HDTechLogic. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply a green screen effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. So let's go over exactly what you're going to need when doing this. So first of all, big surprise, a green screen. This needs to be in a well-lit environment. Try to get as much natural lighting as you can in the environment, but if you can't, that's fine, just put as many artificial lights on it as possible. 2. A filming device. Now, this can be a phone, camera, or something else. You just need to name it. Just make sure that you can upload the files to the computer. 3. A device stand. Something that the device can actually stand on and not obstruct the video too much. That will be fine. It just needs to have something that will keep it at a still position. Number 4. A cable or a tool that can transfer the files from the device to your computer. And number 5. Adobe Premiere Pro. In this tutorial, I'll be using CC15. So what we're firstly going to want to be doing is dragging in our footage into Premiere. So once the footage is in, we can drag it onto the sequence. Now we can see the footage here. Just some hand movement. First of all, we're going to go to Effects. And in this dialog here for the effects, we're going to search Key. And we're going to apply an Ultra key to this video. Now it's not done anything, as you can see, but if we click on here, do the eyedropper tool and choose the green and click OK, you'll see that it's made most of the green black. But as you can see, it's a bit off and some stuff is a bit blurry, so we're going to just go into a couple of our settings, adjust a couple of them, making sure that it's as sharp as possible, but at the same time not distorting any of the image whatsoever. So it looks something like this. Now the great thing about Premiere and all green screen tools is that you can actually add an image on top or behind of this and it will play on top. So let's get the Premiere logo in to the project. So if we go back to editing or assembly, we can drag in this logo. Now if we get this and put it on feed 1, that would be good, but if we put this on there, see this is overlaying it, so what we're going to do, we're going to switch out these feeds. So put this one to feed 3, pull this one down, put that one back down. If we put this one here, you can see that the green screen has made it so that this hand is on top of the Premiere logo. And that's how you do normal green screen stuff. You can play around with your options a bit more to make sure that your green screen's as you like it, but that's how you do the basic green screen effect. Now there is another option as well, and it's a bit more advanced, but if we get rid of everything in this project quickly, and we go back to here, you see that I have another bit of footage, and this one is, instead of just a green screen with stuff in front of it, it's a normal video, but the green screen is in it in its own thing. In this instance, it's a phone. How are we going to apply this, you may ask? What we're going to do is, firstly, as we did earlier, select it and go into Effects, search Key again, and get an Ultra key applied. Choose the green that's on the device. Now the green varies a bit on this, so it's not going to be perfect straight away. So what we're going to do, we're going to add another Ultra key to it, and that's going to basically allow us to select the other colours. Now you can generally see that the phone's screen is now black and it looks like it's got quite a good reflection to it. This is just the different effects being applied. So if we very finally want to apply another Ultra key to it, we can. And what it will allow us to do, if we do this and select this grey, is it allows us to just fine that a bit more. But now, as you can see, the screen's been removed. But there's another very cool feature that you can do. Now that we've green screened the footage, why don't we get that green to show something below the video? And that's where Premiere really comes in with a pretty good feature. So if we go back to our files and get the Premiere logo back into the project, then you can see, if we put it here, that the Premiere is appearing on this green screen. Now it's not perfect because of the camera conditions, and you're always going to want to be doing this in a natural light environment, but in this instance it's fine. As you can see, the majority of the Premiere logo is only appearing where the phone was, because that's where a majority of the green was. Now of course in better lighting environments this would look much better, but in this instance you can kind of just get a basic understanding of what you can also do with it. So there you have it. That's the majority of the information for you right there. That shows you how to do basic green screen in Premiere Pro, and if you're looking to do a bit more advanced stuff, then maybe this video wasn't for you. But this was to show people the basic way and how you can first of all actually get the green screen effect applied to your project. Now of course there's a lot more features to Adobe Premiere Pro green screening and other programs as well, but as I said, this is only just to show you how to do the initial bit. Of course, if you're a bit more experienced in Premiere Pro, you may know how to refine it a bit more and make it look a bit better. But we won't be going over that in this video, since this is the basic tutorial. But I hope that you have found this video useful. If you have, please do consider subscribing, pressing the like button, commenting, all of that. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Apart from that, see you in the next video.